Hey, welcome once again. Rohit Gaikwad this side, your real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. Today, we will generate real estate free leads using Google My Business. This is the part of real estate lead generation series, and it's series part number 10. uh, as we mentioned, I will cover Google My Business, and for that you need your free Gmail verified account with the email and phone number. And here I will dive in directly to Google My Business. You need to type business.google.com. You will reach this screen. As a Google My Business, I am using my associates account, Abhijit's account. So here I need to click on the add your business to Google. I need to mention Abhijit. Let's say this one. You can mention your property, firm name, organization name, company name, or brand name. I'll go with the, let's say it's our own brand, Real Estate Institute. Done. Then you need to click on continue. Choose the category. Here is the property education, we can say. See, you need to type education institution. Okay. Next, do you want to add location customer can visit? Yes. Or we can say no, it's a virtual one. If you put yes, you will ask the address, Google sorry, pin code, and these things. If you say no, it will be considered as a virtual thing only, websites only. So you need to select the Pune. Next, then it's asking for the contact details, so I need to mention the mobile number. So I am not keeping these things. I don't need a website. Current website I can put. I don't need a website. I don't want to continue with the phone number. Let me try. I guess they are using it. Okay, current website is Real Estate Institute of India. It's our own website, India Real Estate Institute of India.com. Sorry, .org. And I need to put the Indian number. Let's try with the, because I already registered the available numbers with this thing. Let me try. I am putting up my team members number. Let me try this Abhijit's number only, or I'll put my another number. Next. Okay, finish. You can upload, make profile, you can mailing address. I need to mention the state. I need to select here only. I can keep it. You can verify your address, state, address, city, and this thing pin. I'll click on verify later because the tutorial will be too long. Then I don't want add your services. uh, I can say coaching. Save. So Monday, Tuesday, you can click on. It's saying all the 7 days we are open. Okay, let me continue with this. Add business description. You can add your establishment year, your services, product, your website, and these things. I am skipping these details. You can add photos. I'll add one photo. Let me You need to upload it first. I'm uploading one photo of the living area, or let's continue with this real estate living room. It's a virtual thing only. I have no idea. It's downloaded from the internet. Your business profile is almost ready, and I need to verify. See, without verification, you will not run the ad campaigns, as well as you cannot get calls from the customers. So this is the dashboard of our Google My Business. Here, this is the dashboard. You need to verify the mobile number and this thing, your address. You will get a postal parcel with the verification pin within 3-4 days after submission, and you can post it here. Your multiple properties, like you can create an offer, you can update the COVID-19. So if someone search for the real estate institute in that particular city, they'll get an update that this is temporary closed, or this thing. You can add offer for this COVID-19 offer. You will get a Diwali discount, we can say new year discount. You can add an update, like if you are changing your store location, or if you have exclusive benefits discount. You can create an ad event, like you can host an webinar, and you can put the information here. So when people search for your name, or related to your services, they will get an update with this information. You can add your product or services, like real estate brokerage, property management. You can add vastu, interior designer, home loans, and all this. Here you can create a first post is not a big thing. You have to just upload. It's like a WhatsApp status only. You need to keep the click on what's new. Don't go with the offer and this one. You have to click on the photo and write your post. It's a tagline. You can add a button. So when someone search, it's like your WhatsApp status. You can add multiple and unlimited status. So you can edit your info from this side. So how it works, basically I'll show you. uh, Let me finish this first. So insights, you can check the traffic, which age group people are coming, what are their time, we can say. Messaging, people can directly message. It's like a messenger only. You will get an app on mobile, or you can access it through web. People can review your businesses after post service, or they'll rate you. So it will help you to build a credibility. So do give your best. Services, you can add or edit multiple services. Here we have started with the one. You can add home loan services, you can add interior designer, you can add vastu consulting, you can add residential brokerage, commercial brokerage, industrial brokerage, whatever. You can made inbuilt a simple website with this tool. So it will help you to create a landing pages. It's free of cost, but your domain will be like XYZ. For example, here I have real estate institute. I don't want these things. So real estate institute, they have suggested, but I can edit this. But you will get a subdomain like business.site. For example, rohitgaikwad.business.site. This will be your this thing. See, they have made it by default using your information, and you can just publish. Click on publish. They'll add your services here. You can they'll add button. You can edit the header logo. We have given the educational as an category. So you can choose property consultancy. They'll put the logos, these photos, business hours, appointment URL. You can add, you can change themes. See, you can add text, these things. So it will take a lot of time. You can spend 10-15 minutes, and you can build your brand new website without investing in hosting and domain. Anyways, you can use it as a landing page. I have another separate video to create a landing page and generate a leads. So here it's a premium things. It's a paid activities. Create an ad. You need Google ad campaign, Google ad account. You can create a business email. For that you need G Suite account. You can add new location. That means if you are running from Pune and you have new franchisee or new company outlet or office branch office at Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, whatever city, you can add multiple locations and you can verify that locations using the Google pin only. Here you can change the settings. So that's enough. Let's have a practical look. When someone search for the Rohit Gaikwad, let's say I'll show my own example. Here I haven't put anything. So here this side only, let me focus. Here you will get Rohit Gaikwad real estate consultant. See, in India, too many Rohit Gaikwads is there, but I have created a brand with my own name. That's why the Google My Business is showing my this institute address. This is Abhijit's phone number, office phone number, multiple products I have. You can check it from this side for the this purpose. See, as an consumer point of view, you are seeing the one product and here call to action. You can you if you are watching this video from the mobile, if you clicked on this one now, you will get immediate call dialer in your mobile. Call get connected, so you can check my reviews and all things. Let's say uh, broker near me. For an example, if people search for broker near me, they'll get these things. See, I uh, I am recording this video from the Pune itself, so I am getting the too many real estate brokers. See, I haven't mentioned the real estate broker or property broker, so it's showing me share market broker, stock broker. So let me revise or correct it to property broker. See, now I am getting the property real estate agency's number. Let's say how this will work. So I'll say 2 BHK, 2 BHK Kothrood. Let me try Kothrood. So see, Indira Apartments 1 BHK, 2 BHK. This person make a tweak in his business. Like Indira Apartments is a part of it's a project, but he have mentioned 2 BHK in the name of that Google My Business account. See, Google My Business account temporarily closed due to COVID-19. So 1 and 2 BHK home. In this way, someone will search for 2 BHK Washi, New Mumbai, 2 BHK Dwarka, 2 BHK Rohini, 2 BHK Bangalore, 2 BHK Hyderabad, or 2 BHK Jubilee Hills, 2 BHK Vizag, something like that. You need to be a specific, open multiple accounts. You can, if you are working for the multiple clients, open multiple accounts, Google My Business, verified that with your location and get free leads. These are the organic leads and 100% pure, we can say. Yeah, the conversion ratio is around 10% or 15% if you cater them in a professional way. So in this way you can generate the leads. Let me go. Many people will get confused. See how people search the property. I generally they open web. So I'll take an example of 3 BHK Mumbai. It's simple, right? 3 BHK Mumbai. So 3 BHK Mumbai. Pardon for the spelling mistake because I don't have any expertise or typing speed. So I usually did these mistakes. So let it be. We'll continue with the 3 BHK Mumbai. So what they are getting first, magicbricks.com. Let me show you. Magicbricks.com, 99acres.com, 99 acres housing.com, makan.com, square yards, because no one built Google My Business account. Otherwise you will get here only. It's my extension. That's why if someone is searching for what are the top phrases or keywords people search, I'll get immediately. It's a free plugin. You can download keywords. So it's sufficient for this video. Hope you enjoyed these videos, or these chains lead generation series is for the beginners only. For expert and professionals, we have value addition certification program. You can enroll directly to that courses: real estate leads mastery and real estate blueprint, from my official website rohitgaikwad.com/courses. Best of luck, and close your first deal immediately using these free tools and platforms. Hope happy real estate. You have enjoying the series. Once again, Rohit Gaikwad, a real estate consultant, coach, speaker, and published author. Thank you.